Hi, welcome to Ray at the Movies, and today I got a special package. I ordered it, and it is the Friday the 13th box set. Now, the one thing I will say about this is that, look at that. Look at that. I don't know if I can zoom. Okay, can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. That looks awesome. Now, I will say that I heard some problems with the box set. Now, I ordered this through Amazon, so I hope that there is no issues with this box set, because this wasn't cheap. So there's the box set a little bit. There's a little bit there. Hope it comes in a little bit. There we go. Let me try to get that to come in. Well, let's look at every single one. Of course, let's start with the first one, which is this one. Here we go. And then there's the back. Now there's, and then of course they have the booklet. Nice little book. So there's the other box art for it, which I might change out. And also, someone pointed out that that the pictures are different. Also, yeah, the reason is some of the people's box set had scratches, they said, and also they said there's problems with parts. Jason Goes to Hell. There's the box art, of course. Jason Goes to Hell. And for, Jason X, as well as of course, there's the original poster for it. Does it come in? There we go. And there you go. And then there's Jason, Friday the 13th Part 3. Oh, look at that. That is a good cover. It's a little reflective. I'm sorry where I'm at. Well, then of course you take the disc out, and of course there's the alternate, which I'm gonna probably go with that one. That one was the I guess the soundtrack. I'm very happy with this set. That's the only minor issues I think I've heard people say that there is with the box set, is that there's some technical problems. They're saying there's a scene at the yeah, everything looks good. Nothing looks bad. So, and then there's, of course, the alternate, because if you look at the other side, you won't see. See? They're totally different. There you go. And then, now the rest of them aren't in 4K. I want to make sure I know that. You'll know that. And this one's my least favorite one. Part 5 is not my favorite. And oh well. Okay.